Good morning, dear students. I am Mahesh Das Mahant. Today we are going to study poem Beauty. Okay, written by E. A. Sur. Okay, so please pay attention to understand it. Okay. First of all, dear students, in this poem, what is beauty or truth or sin? Okay, what is the there is no clear cut or absolute definition. Beauty in is interpreted differently by different people. Okay, so the poet's approach to beauty is unique. He sees beauty, he hears beauty, and he feels beauty. So let's start to reread this poem Beauty and explain it. Okay, beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, the corn growing, and the people working or dancing for their harvest. Dear students, poems seen the beauty everywhere, the beauty in the every nature. Okay, he sees the beauty in the sunlight. Okay, he sees the sunlight is very beautiful. He also sees beauty in trees. Okay, but other people does not see beauty, but if he feels beauty, he likes beauty, he sees beauty in trees also, he sees the beauty in birds, in growing corns also he sees beauty, and people who are working for their hard, he is also beautiful, and he, okay, for artists or dancing for their harvest. Okay, and farmers or people so dancing for the harvest were also seen beautiful. Okay, in this way everything is beautiful in the nature. Okay, but there is a feeling, that there is a feeling to think beauty, to see is beauty. Okay, now we see second paragraph. Beauty is heard, okay, in the sunlight, in wind sighing, rain falling, or singer chanting, anything in earnest. Dear students, beauty is heard everywhere because poet heard beauty. When? In the night. Okay, in the night something is making sound, some wind is passing by, and some wind sounds. Okay, sighing of any animals in the night. Okay, sighing in the any bird in the night, the chattering of a bird. Okay, the beauty, the heard of falling rain, when the rain falls, this is also heard beautiful. Okay, or a singer chanting, when any singer is singing a song very nicely with heart. Okay, this is also heard beautiful. Beauty, anything in the earnest, and anything else in the nature creates sounds is beauty, and poet finds beauty in everything, in nature's sound. Okay, in this way we see next paragraph page. Beauty is seen, beauty in yourself, and beauty is also in yourself also. Okay, because you are beautiful, because good deeds, happy thoughts, because though you are not looking good, beautiful, but your thoughts and your good deeds makes you beautiful. Okay, that repeat themselves, and that repeats themselves the in your dreams, in your work, and even in your acts. Okay, the beautiful makes your action, makes your behavior, makes your work, makes your work efficiency. That's work your compassion for people and kindness for people, your good deeds, good thoughts makes you beautiful. Okay, in according to the poet, all thing, whatever it may be, seen, or it may be heard, hearing, or any obstruction or good deeds. All thing is beautiful. So, dear students, in this poem, poet sees beauty in the nature, heard beauty in the nature, and also find beauty in people also. Okay, so you have, this poem is written by E.A. Sure. I feel you have understood this poem very well. If you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Okay, till then, thank you. Have a nice day.